Ready for the freshest scoop on Samsung's One UI 8 beta? Imagine this, a sleek, shiny new update about to drop on your Galaxy, packed with cool features and some hold-up moments you'll want to know before hitting that install button. What's really coming, what's broken, and what could change your phone game forever? Let's dive in. Hey, welcome back! Sam here. If you love tech news that's sharp, fun, and easy to digest, do me a solid and like, share, and subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, so Samsung's been teasing the One UI 8 beta for a minute now, and thanks to eagle-eyed fans, we spotted a banner teasing its release, possibly as soon as late May or early June 2025. No official launch yet, but the hints are everywhere, right in the Samsung Members app. That means if you own a Galaxy phone, especially the hot-off-the-line S25 series, you're in for a treat or maybe a tiny headache. Why? Because betas are always a mixed bag. First up, the good stuff. One UI 8 is all about making your Galaxy smarter, smoother, and more personal. The Modes and Routines feature got a serious boost. Think automating your phone like a pro. Want your phone to open Spotify the second you plug in headphones or create a to-do list when you charge overnight? One UI 8's got you. It's like having a mini assistant who learns your habits and works behind the scenes. And with new options and apps like Clock, Calendar, and Samsung Notes, your phone can basically organize your day for you. Pretty neat, right? And this is a big but, there are some bugs popping up. Several good lock modules, which hardcore Samsung users swear by for customizing their home screens and controls, aren't playing nice with the beta. Home Up, Quick Star, Multi-Star, 5 modules are out of commission for now. That's like losing your favorite tools just when you need them most. And if you're a Google Wallet user who relies on Tap to Pay, hold off on this beta for now. The Wallet app isn't stable, and that could mean trouble at checkout. Now, if you're wondering which phones get this update, Samsung's rolling it out to a pretty wide range from the latest Galaxy S25 and S24 lines down through the S series, plus the foldable Z Fold and Z Flip models, and even many of the A, M, F, and Tab series devices. So chances are, if you've got a Galaxy from the last few years, you're in the mix. Let's talk design tweaks. Because Samsung's not just fixing bugs, they're polishing the look. The sharing menu, freshly revamped with a frosted glass look that feels modern and clean. Quick Share now has a slick card-style UI, making file transfer smoother and easier to navigate. Multitasking gets a boost too. You can stretch apps fully to the edge in split-screen mode, making juggling apps feel less cramped. And those back gestures, now with a preview animation, making swiping back feel buttery smooth. Camera lovers, you're not left out. One UI 8 adds customizable swipe gestures, so you decide how to switch between lenses or control zoom. Finally, some personal flair for your camera controls. Privacy is stepping up too. The secure folder now lets you close apps when locked or hide apps entirely, plus you can even hide the folder itself. It's like a secret vault inside your phone with extra layers of protection. And here's a wild feature: AudioCast. Samsung lets you stream audio to multiple devices at once, and you can share a QR code for others to jump in, perfect for parties or when you want your music to follow you around the house. On the lock screen, widgets are bigger and easier to read, with new animated clocks and dynamic wallpapers that shift colors throughout the day. Your phone's home screen is more informative, cleaner, and easier to navigate, thanks to better icon spacing and a smarter app drawer design. Battery care is smarter now too. You can choose from basic, adaptive, or maximum protection modes. The adaptive mode is genius. It charges only up to 80% overnight and finishes the charge just before you wake up, which helps keep your battery healthier over the long run. Lastly, the Gallery app got a tidy makeover with more logical menus and consistent design elements, so browsing your photos and videos feels slick and modern. So when's all this hitting your phone for real? Samsung plans to release the stable One UI 8 update later this year, likely around the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 this summer. Until then, keep an eye on the Samsung Members app and get ready to test drive some seriously cool features, just maybe not if you're relying on Google Wallet or certain customization modules yet. What do you think? Ready to jump into One UI 8 beta or waiting for the smooth, stable ride? Drop your thoughts below. I'm curious what you're most excited or worried about. Thanks for sticking with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to keep up with all things Samsung and tech. Sam here, signing off. Catch you in the next one.